Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In a world where preparedness is paramount, we unveil the 15 essential survival gadgets that every man should have. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast, a devoted prepper, or just looking to enhance your emergency readiness, these carefully selected gadgets are here to empower you in any situation. From versatile multi-tools to life-saving water purifiers, tactical flashlights, and compact first aid kits, this video is your ultimate guide to ensure you're ready for the unexpected. So stay tuned and let's dive into the world of survival gear that can make all the difference when it matters most. Number 15. Bugout Bag. The Bugout Bag, often referred to as the BOB, is a vital component of any survival strategy. This meticulously packed bag is a portable lifeline containing essential supplies like food, water, first aid, and tools, ensuring you can swiftly and safely evacuate during emergencies. Whether it's a natural disaster or a sudden evacuation, your Bugout Bag is your ultimate go-to resource for survival when time is of the essence. Number 14. Emergency Survival Food. Emergency survival food is your sustenance in the face of adversity. Compact and long-lasting, these specially designed rations are packed with essential nutrients to keep you nourished during challenging times. With a shelf life that ensures readiness for years to come, you can rely on emergency survival food to keep you fueled and focused when it matters most. Number 13. Camping Stove. The camping stove, a compact marvel of modern outdoor technology, is your key to hot meals in the great outdoors. Designed for portability and efficiency, it ignites quickly and cooks with precision, making it a must-have for camping and survival scenarios. With this trusty stove in your gear, you can enjoy warm and comforting meals even when far from civilization. Number 12. Solar-powered radio. The solar-powered radio is more than just a device, it's your lifeline to critical information during emergencies. Powered by the sun, this gadget ensures you stay connected and well-informed when traditional power sources are scarce. With its reliable reception and built-in features, the solar-powered radio is an indispensable companion for staying tuned into essential updates when you need them most. Number 11. GPS Navigation Device. The GPS navigation device, a technological marvel, is your compass in the digital age. Equipped with advanced satellite technology, it provides precise location data, making getting lost a thing of the past. Whether you're exploring the wilderness or navigating unfamiliar city streets, this device ensures you always find your way back home with confidence. Number 10. Signal Whistle. The Signal Whistle, a small yet mighty gadget, is your emergency beacon in the wild. With its ear-piercing sound, it serves as a life-saving communication tool when you need to alert others to your presence. Whether you're lost in distress or need to get someone's attention, the Signal Whistle is your go-to device for ensuring you're heard when it matters most. Number 9. Compact First Aid Kit. The Compact First Aid Kit is your compact companion for safety. Packed with essential supplies for handling minor injuries, it's a lightweight and portable solution to keep you prepared and protected in various situations. Number 8. Survival Knife. The survival knife is the ultimate tool for versatility and preparedness. With this razor-sharp blade and rugged design, it's your trusty sidekick for various outdoor challenges. Whether you need to cut, chop, or defend, this knife is a vital addition to your survival gear, ensuring you're ready for anything that comes your way. Number 7. Paracord Bracelet. The Paracord Bracelet is more than just stylish, it's a wearable survival kit. Woven with high-strength paracord, it unravels to provide you with essential tools, including a compass and fire-starting flint. This practical accessory ensures you have critical survival resources right at your wrist, making it an indispensable item for any outdoor adventure. Number 6. Tactical Flashlight. The tactical flashlight is not your ordinary light source, it's your beacon of power and safety. Built to withstand rugged conditions, it boasts multiple lighting modes, including a blinding strobe, making it an ideal tool for self-defense. This versatile flashlight is a must-have for any man, ensuring you have the right illumination in any situation. Number 5. Emergency Blanket. The emergency blanket is a small but mighty tool for survival. Its lightweight and reflective material can help retain your body heat and keep you warm in extreme conditions. Whether you're caught in the cold or need to signal for help, this unassuming blanket can be a lifesaver when you need it most. Number 4. Portable Water Purifier. The Portable Water Purifier is your safeguard for clean and safe drinking water, no matter where you are. Compact and efficient, it can turn even the murkiest water into a drinkable source by removing harmful contaminants. With this trusty gadget in your survival kit, you'll never have to worry about staying hydrated in the wild. Number 3. Fire Starter Kit. The Fire Starter Kit is your ticket to warmth and safety in the wilderness. Compact and waterproof, it ensures you can ignite a fire even in the harshest conditions, providing heat, light, and a way to cook food. This invaluable tool should be a staple in every adventurer's kit for ultimate preparedness. Number 2. Solar-powered CHRGR. The solar-powered charger is your source of energy in the great outdoors. Compact and efficient, it harnesses the sun's power to keep your devices charged, ensuring you stay connected wherever your adventures take you. This gadget is a must-have for modern explorers and outdoor enthusiasts. Number 1. The all-purpose Multitool. The all-purpose multi-tool is your versatile companion for tackling a variety of tasks. With a combination of tools like blades, pliers, screwdrivers, and a mini saw, it's a one-stop solution for any situation, making it an indispensable addition to your toolkit for everyday life and outdoor adventures. And there you have it, folks, 15 survival gadgets every man should have. From multi-tools to Bugout bags, these items are essential for any adventure or emergency. Be sure to check the description for links to these amazing gadgets. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay prepared, and we'll catch you in the next one.